Traditional silk weaving products, such as ao dye, kimono, sari and hanbok. Silk, a luxurious and lustrous fabric, has been cherished for centuries across various cultures around the world. It has been transformed into exquisite garments that epitomize elegance, tradition, and cultural identity. In this essay, we delve into the realm of traditional silk garments, namely the ao dye from Vietnam, the kimono from Japan, the sari from India, and the hanbok from Korea. Each of these garments holds a significant place in their respective cultures, showcasing the beauty of silk and the craftsmanship of their makers. The ao dye, Vietnam's national costume, is a graceful and figure-flattering garment that exudes femininity and elegance. It consists of a fitted long tunic, known as the ao, worn over wide-legged pants, called the dye. Traditionally made of silk, the ao dye showcases intricate embroidery, delicate patterns, and vibrant colors that reflect the rich cultural heritage of Vietnam. This garment is often worn on special occasions such as weddings, festivals, and cultural events, symbolizing Vietnamese tradition and feminine grace. In Japan, the kimono is an iconic silk garment that encapsulates the essence of Japanese culture and aesthetics. Its simple yet elegant design features straight seams, wide sleeves, and a wraparound style secured with an obi belt. Kimonos are available in various styles, patterns, and colors, each representing different occasions and social statuses. Whether it's the formal furisode worn by unmarried women, the vibrant yukata for summer festivals, or the subdued and refined tomesode for married women, the kimono showcases the meticulous craftsmanship and artistic sensibilities of Japanese artisans. The sari holds a profound place in Indian culture and is renowned for its versatility and timeless beauty. Made of silk and other luxurious fabrics, the sari is a long piece of cloth that is draped around the body in various styles, highlighting the curves and grace of the wearer. It allows for numerous draping techniques, each associated with different regions and occasions. The sari is adorned with intricate embroidery, embellishments, and vibrant colors, reflecting the diversity and cultural richness of India. It is worn during weddings, festivals, and other celebrations, serving as a symbol of Indian femininity, tradition, and elegance. In Korea, the hanbok represents the traditional attire that has been worn for centuries. Made of silk and featuring vibrant colors and flowing lines, the hanbok showcases the exquisite craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail. The female hanbok consists of a wraparound skirt called a chima and a jacket called a jegori. The male hanbok is more structured and includes wide-legged pants called baji and a jacket called jegori. The hanbok is often worn during significant events such as weddings, Lunar New Year celebrations, and ancestral ceremonies. It reflects Korean aesthetics, cultural identity, and the value placed on harmony and balance. These traditional silk garments not only celebrate the artistry of silk weaving and embroidery but also serve as cultural symbols, reflecting the customs, values, and identities of their respective countries. They represent the rich heritage and ancestral wisdom passed down through generations, evoking a sense of pride and nostalgia. The intricate designs, patterns, and colors of these garments embody the stories, beliefs, and aspirations of their wearers, encapsulating the essence of their cultures. Furthermore, these traditional silk garments have gained global recognition for their beauty and cultural significance. They have become sources of inspiration for fashion designers worldwide, who draw upon their timeless elegance and